Okay, question number 35. This is one of those questions that can seem like really tough, but then you remember that you have your graphing calculator, so life is good. F double prime of x equals 0.5 plus cosine x minus e to the negative x. Now they're asking, this is the second derivative of some function f of x. They're asking how many points of inflection does the function f of x have on the interval from 0 to 20. So you might be inclined to like take the integral or something and then do something crazy. But remember, you've got your graphing calculator, so you don't have to do that. Think about what an inflection point means. An inflection point by definition is where your concavity goes from positive to negative. Or negative to positive. So where your concavity switches signs, okay? Well, where my concavity switches signs is where my f double prime either goes from positive to negative or from negative to positive. In other words, an inflection point is where my f double prime of x is equal to 0 and crosses through the x-axis, right? So, okay, that's cool. So let's take a look at that. All I have to look for is where my f double prime graph crosses my x-axis. That will give me my inflection points. Well, I've gone ahead and drawn a rough sketch of what it would look like in your graphing calculator, and then all I do is count the places where it crosses. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, and that's 6. Okay? So all I have to do is count those regions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's my number of inflection points. So the answer is in fact 6, which is C, which is your final answer. Hope you got it. See you in the next video.